Good morning, YouTube community. Welcome back to Life's Pharmacy. This morning I'm just going to give a quick tutorial on the cleaning of the swirl filter for my aquaponics garden, showing how simple it is, and also just some awareness tips as we move out of winter and into spring. The fish in the winter time, at least this particular species being koi fish, reduce their eating consumption in the wintertime. So they eat a lot less, which also equates to less waste, which feeds the plants. So you want to kind of control and regulate and make sure that you're keeping your balance as close to neutral or 7 pH. Right now my system's running at about 6.3, which is right where I like it for the type of things that I grow. So one of the things about how to do that is controlling how many plants and what kind of plants that you have. If they're heavy feeders, you want to kind of regulate that. So right now my aquaponics is the grow bed is being used more for propagating, which is a method used in another video. You can click down below and it'll send you to a link and you can find out more about that. But so for today, we're just going to come over here to the swirl filter. It's very easy. The maintenance on this takes about 10 minutes. Right now I have a water hose in here that is cleaning all the heavier waste that has fallen to the bottom. This right here is running the heavy waste out and down into my pineapple patch. So nothing's being wasted. The good nutrients of this water and the heavy waste is all going to my pineapple plants, also making it very easy for me to be able to clean this system. Now, a lot of fish systems require a 25% water change. And so in essence, what we're doing here is doing that water change now. And I'm doing it here in this heavy filter system. What happens is the water, 100 gallons an hour, comes from the hot tub or pond, and then the water overflows into from this standpipe. The heavy waste falls to the bottom, and the rest of the clean water runs over down into the sump tank, where there's a pump, and that pump pushes water out 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and into the grow bed. It's in the grow bed that the nitrification process takes place, where all the toxicity, the ammonia from the fish waste, is made into nutrients and providing the health for the plants. The plants remove the toxicity, and then it exchanges and returns fresh oxygenated water from this valve here, which all operates through physics and gravity. So the only mechanics here is the pump, which operates 890 gallons per hour. So just wanted to give you a quick look on how this works. As the clarity of this water becomes better, I will shut this water flow off. I'll add a little bit of water back into the actual pond, and then I'll restart the system. Now, as I was saying about the grow area, I keep a couple of plants in here all the time to help me recognize what the nutrients or pH is, just by observing the plants. Now this oregano is one of those plants that tells me, as it grows vigorously and out of control, it tells me that there's a lot of nutrients and I don't have enough plants planted in the grow bed. So all of these propagations that you see, there's some lettuce that I threw out seeds. There's some tomatoes that are just finally starting to flower. There's some pineapples that will soon go into soil, some longevity spinach. Right here today what we're harvesting is lemon balm. This is another one of the plants that I keep in here all the time. In a week's time, this thing, as you can see, has grown extremely large. And again, the fish are now starting to eat more, they're providing more nutrients, and they're telling me that I need to put more plants in this grow bed. So today we harvested, you can see, a large amount of the lemon balm, which we will be using for tea. So just a quick clip, and thanks for joining.